Hey guys, here are my two favorite crochet hairstyles that I've been wearing all summer. It's been holding me down, so let's get into it. So we're gonna start off with some heatless curls. You know we love that heatless curls, but it's literally the perfect base. Heatless if there's no damage to your hair, and if you leave them in long enough, you get a beautiful curl. So these are the ones from, I think I got them from Amazon or Ulta, but they're not super hard and stiff, so you can sleep in them and it doesn't feel painful or anything like that. So I take out the rollers, I separate my hair super nice and gentle. But I mean, look at this freaking color match. This looks so close to my hair color, except for the fact that it's a little bit more warm. And I kind of got a little, I think I've done some cheat code math science in learning that if my hair's too warm, I just add green. So I've been adding green to my hair extensions and it's getting closer and closer to my hair color. So I'm using this I Create Holds from Intersense. It's gel, but I love it for my edges. And I'm just gonna sleek them back so they look nice and neat and it looks like my hairstyle is intentional. So just get it nice and polished like that. And this is hairstyle one. Super, super cute. It's like old time Hollywood curls, which is my favorite look. It really is. It just looks so classic and beautiful every time. So here's look number one. And I like to get a little versatile with look number one too. Like you can do a middle part, why not? Sometimes I like a middle part. It's a little bit more casual. I get more volume. But yeah, you can do side part, middle part, up to you. But the heatless curls with the crochet eat every single time. So hairstyle number two, this is my favorite, this is my go-to. I wear this all the time because it's so easy and I hate my hair and my face. So you wanna gather your hair up without making any of your crochet braids, well, the braids or the crochet show. And I take this hook, kind of hook anchor tie that I've been using forever. You guys know I love a hook anchor tie, but it just helps me get a firm grip on my ponytail. I hate a saggy ponytail, so these come in clutch. And then you just kind of, organize and, move it around, make it look good. And then take a piece to just wrap over the hair tie. You don't have to do this step. I just feel like it completes it and it makes it look a little bit more polished and also like, a very intentional style. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. You can wear it as is and look at that. Literally super, super, super cute. So I take some hairspray and I just kind of smooth my hair back. This is the Unite Le Play hairspray. I like it because it's workable. It doesn't make my hair super hard or anything like that. It doesn't flake. So I'll just add some of that just to make my hair look a little bit more, sleek. It's not gonna look sleek until I straighten it, but boom, boom. She is so cute. I love this hairstyle. Literally my favorite. I wear it every single day because it's super easy to do, but it looks like, you took so much time and effort into doing it. So yeah, let me know which one's your favorite. Have you guys tried crochet yet? I'm gonna film a tutorial, so subscribe. Bye.